City lights blur past the window. I've been running on automatic for years, skipping moments like commercials, too busy fighting off invisible fears. Then the world just stopped for a heartbeat. The noise collapsed into a quiet tone. And in the middle of the rush hour traffic, I finally felt I wasn't alone. Beat my 7 homes like a steady heartbeat, breathing deeper than I used to dare. I catch reflections in the cafe window, wondering how long I wasn't there. People move like rivers around me, but I'm standing in a pocket of calm. For the first time, I'm noticing details, like life placed its hand on my palm. Life in slow motion, everything suddenly clear. I see the truth in the cracks of the everyday here. All the things I kept missing, all the signs I ignored, now they rise like a tide, pulling me toward more. Life in slow motion, I'm finally here. The morning sun hits the pavement, turning concrete into gold. Strangers smile like they know me, or maybe I'm simply less cold. I hear echoes of the life I wanted, somewhere underneath the road. And clarity cuts through the static, a voice saying, you've always